Hello everyone. Here we are recording our presentation video for week 11. Our project name is AI dry cough detection to alert possible COVID-19 infection, and our group members are myself Avinash, Yungning, Vikas Chella, Danush Komuru, and Sahi Alam. Our project client name is Mikoslab Kostovik, and our company name is eLaboratronics. Our project supervisor name is Nandini Signal. These are the project overviews. The main objective of our project is to record the voice, the COVID voice, and like show that if it's COVID voice or not. And we need to like the software requirements to identify to implement the application to take the voice input using our mic and detect the cough and like we should perform the results. And like two modeling techniques are used. Speech recognition and speaker identification and or not recognition. Here like we have installed all our libraries into our PC, so we have like set up this code in desktop. So we are creating an virtual environment and running all the scripts, activating all the scripts. After activating all the scripts in virtual environment, like we're using Python to analyze the output. So app.py, we have already imported all the libraries into that. After running that, we are getting an uh, ho- host IP address. So localhost IP address. Using that, like we have analyzing the audio. So we have already recorded an audio cough voice. So we have found some symptoms so that it shows the status is like symptoms found coughing. So it is recorded in Dynamo TB table, and also like S3, like all the audio files are saved in S3 bucket. So the recent file is like the 15, so we can see the data. Uh, so in after like and in between analyzing the audios, like we can see the status in our command prompt. This is our page, like after getting the results. So we have saved in this. Yungning, you can continue now.
Hello everyone, this is Yui. I'm going to explain what I have done. The following course mailing gives some options for patients to fill in. Before recording the dry cough samples, they need to fill in the form. Pass the next slide, please. Yes, we can see that there are some basic personal information to be filled, such as their first name, last name, gender, and their age. Then after that, they can take action to click the button to record their cough voice samples. After that, the result will be sent back to the patients. Yeah, this is what I have done.
Because you can continue.
I'm myself Vikas. In this project, I have collected all the required files to use it to analyze audio using TensorFlow. With these forums, all the models which is used to analyze the audio, which is in waveform, which is ending with the file extension and all the audio. It gives us output. Thank you.
Yeah. Dhanush, you can continue.
Um, Hello, I'm Dhanush. So I'm going to explain the usage of DynamoDB in our project. So this DynamoDB is a non-SQL database format, which is fast and reliable when compared to a SQL-based application. So it collects the data instantly, uh, and it can be managed. It's most reliable, and it is perfect from mobile-based applications and advertising technologies. The main advantage of using DynamoDB for this type of live projects is like it has very low latency, that it can sort huge amount of data in very less time. Um, so, uh, so that's about DynamoDB. I pass next to Sahil.
Sahib, bro, you can continue.
Yeah, thank you, Dhanush. So, here all recorded data which are stored online on AWS services. So, all data after recording online from users is stored here for further process and reflect output. So, here we can see in total 10 objects are being stored in Amazon S3 during testing. There is also option to upload data to store in existing database in same format, which we can observe formats, audio file extension which is stored in the .wav and last modified date and time, size of data and its storage class format. Apart from this, there are many more options are available which can help to format data in more secure and proper way. This data can be accessed online from anywhere. Uh, so here come in Okay, in the initial analysis during unit MN699, our project solution was designed to evolve external hardware devices such as a voice sensor, microphones, Raspberry Pi, which created a lot of dependencies on the resources and complexity for the output. So in the new approach and we took and implemented in this unit MN692 to ensure that there is no external dependency of hardware, and we will be using the inbuilt microphone in the system to record audio and perform all the processes online, using algorithm to analyze and compare recorded video with the COVID infected person which are available online. Data is stored online so it can be accessed from anywhere. Anyone can easily get access to your phone and record their voice to detect their cough if it's COVID infected or not network. Thanks everyone. Next slide about limitation and conclusions will be explained by Vikas.
Yes, Vikas, you can
Yeah.
continue.
Nowadays, AI voice has many advances in many places, but it doesn't deliver. It doesn't can deliver 100% of results, accuracy result. But we can't rely on that one as well. But now in current design, we will detect the dry coughs in the voice and protect the cough. Can also provide false negatives and could give a negative result in this case as well. But the one is the COVID-19 being is one of the pandemic disease. It's also hard to obtain the data to have a proper prediction in that one. Thank you.
Yes,
Yeah.
Emily, you can
Hello.
continue.
For the creativity, multiple algorithms have been used to correctly identify the voice for obtaining more accuracy. And storage of historical samples will not be only benefit on including for future reference, but also can be used as training and test data for AI improvisation to obtain more accurate results. For example, we record the cough voice samples and store the in the dataset, and the results can be used for the further research. Yeah, pass.
Yes, Dhanush, you can continue.
So I'm going to explain innovation and in entrepreneurship. The current implementation of our project is an end-to-end standalone solution. It doesn't require any upstream or downstream process. So this can be deployed in production and can be utilized as a fully functional application. This application is currently hosted and staged in a cloud server, and hence it can be accessed and run from anywhere in this world. So I request our team leader Avinash to conclude our work.
Yes, here we have recorded different voice. Like we have recorded the normal voice, we have recorded the COVID voice. Like finally, like when we recorded the cough voice, it analyzed the voice and we found that the symptom was found. Because if we are using an AI voice, like we need to be like we see the surroundings like should be clear, because if it takes multiple inputs, like we can't analyze the audio in a correct way. So here, like we have recorded the voice, you can listen that. In this audio, like you can see, like this in this cough voice, you can see there's no disturbance, and like we found some symptoms because like it matches with the example model like which we have installed in our PC. So we have analyzed the audio and we have got the results like symptoms found. So this can be like recorded in AWS, like we can record all the audio files in the database in S3 bucket, and we can see all the tables like patient's name, patient's like status and everything in our table. So here we conclude that our project helps us to give a good results, like we've analyzed all the audios, all the coughs, and we find the symptoms as detected. And thank you for giving this opportunity for this semester, and thanking you everyone, thanking Nandini madam and every faculty like which has helped us, and every my friends. Finally, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you.